Hello friends, welcome to Education. So I am Jitesh and my hero is back. So today we are going to learn for class 6, chapter number 1 of part 1, History. What, where, how and when. This is a chapter what, where, how and when of history, CBSE. So today I will give some questions, I will write the answers and I will explain you nicely. So let's start. First is important terms. The first question is gathers. People who gather their food is known as gatherers. Let's go next question. Next question is tributaries. Tributaries means a river. You think that this is a river and it's going flowing and there is a big river. You think that I am just giving the example and here is a water. Then it will be smaller rivers which flows into longer rivers is known as tributaries. Our next question is frontier. A border separating two countries. Frontier means India and another country. There is a border between they both. Is known as border. In frontier. A border separating two countries is known as frontier. Let's go next question. Inscriptions. Writing on inscriptions means that early times people they write on stones. They were not having books or anything, so they were writing on stones. They were writing on stones and rocks, metals. They get anything, they will write in that. Writing on a hard surface is known as inspirations. Let's do a next question.
Epic.
Writing a poem on a heroic people. Writing on a poem on a heroic people is known as epic. Let's do next question.
Excavative.
Excavative means dig. Dig under the surface of the earth. While making any building or making anything, they first remove the land is known as dig the surface of the earth is known as excavative. So let's do next question. Answers. Let's do next question now. Let's start.
Where are rice first grown?
Rice. We every day eat that, but you know that why is it grown? Answers. They are grown in north of Vidyas. Rice was first grown in the north of Vidyas. Okay, let's go on next question.
What forms the natural frontiers of the subcontinent?
You know the natural frontiers. Natural frontiers means sea, mountain. Example. These both are the subcontinent of countries. Let's go next question.
From whom was the term Bharata used in the ancient times?
First, people move in the west and north and they are known as the Team Bharat. They were in team. So let's go next question.
Which object survived for a long time?
Which survived for a long time? Which material survived for a long time? A material which is of high quality means imperishable materials and survive for a long time. Which are very high quality and is very good is known as imperishable materials which will survive for a long time. Next question.
What do BC and AD means?
Oh, what is meaning of AC?
AD.
AD and BC. BC means before Christ. BC means before Christ. And AD means Anno Domini. AD means. Okay. Let's go next question. Are you ready? Let's start.
Which religion were wheat and barley grown about 8,000 years ago?
Where wheat and barley grown 8,000 years ago. So, you know where was wheat and barley grown before 8,000 years ago? 8,000, so many years ago. They were grown in Suleiman and Kirtar hills before 8,000 years ago. I will repeat the answer. Suleiman and Kirtar hills. Let's go next question.
Write a note on Megha.
Magadha. Okay, I will give the 3 points. Beside of river Ganga, you know river Ganga. Beside that, any village or any town is there. They tell that there is a Magadha. Next is they set up a large kingdom, and their rules are very powerful. So this is the 3 points of Magadha. Let's do next question. Next question is, what are archaeologists? Archaeologists. Next please. What are archaeologists? Archaeologist means who tells that what happened before and what will happen after. So I will give some. They will tell that archaeologists can know before what the people eat, where there were no food and they don't know what to eat. So they cut the bones of animals or birds, and they get to know that what the people eat before and how, and they go and see the buildings made up of stone and wood, where how do they live, did they died. They get all the things, and they get the paintings, coins before what were there. And let's see our next question, which is, what are manuscripts? Manuscripts are written by hand. It are mostly written on monasteries or temples, and many were eaten by the insects. Manuscripts, and some were destroyed by insects, and some were eaten by the insects. So, did you like this video? If you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and please wash your hands and keep safe from corona. And bye.